Welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise, and today we're going to just do a little overview of the 2.75 wedge style external speaker with bracket, a Workman K8, and the package was a little torn when I got it, so anyway, it comes with a mounting bracket and thumb screws or whatever, and here's the actual speaker. And it's pretty solid. The reason why I got this because it looks like it uses a Mylar cone, like the clear plastic, which my times it usually outlasts the paper cone per se, and it they call it a little more weatherproof, I would assume. I'm not really too sure, but I heard pretty good things about these Mylar cone speakers, so I'll try this again and hooking it up. But anyway, that's a Workman K8 speaker, and let me just show you a comparison real quick. Sorry about that. Here's a Cobra 4-inch speaker in comparison to Rode Gear speaker, so you can see it's definitely smaller. So I'll have to hook that up and try that out. So anyway, that's the Workman K8 73s.